2012 Hyundai Azera. We have one existing Prox key and one key that does not work because it is not programmed. We're going to be using, that's the one that works, that's the one that doesn't. I have the pin code for this vehicle, so we're going to make short work of this. The antenna is built into the button on this version. It does not have the slot. So here we go. Hyundai Azera. Key coding 2012 HG Smart Key 5. Sometimes you may have to try a couple times to get it to communicate, but it will work. Okay. Enter. Okay, we're in. We're going to program key. It says key slot, say no, because there is no slot. Ignition's off. Our pin is 108533. Oops, 108533. Hit OK. Okay, now from this point, we're going to hit enter. We're going to push in on the start button with the key, and then the screen is going to change to tell us that the key is programmed. So we'll hit enter, push in, hold it in, watch the screen. Okay, that one's programmed. Take it out. Do I want to do another one? Yes. There we go. Hold it in. Would I like to do another one? No. Okay. 2 keys programmed. That's exactly what we want. We will unhook. We will turn our flashers off. Our keys. They work. Let's try this key. They work. Turns on, and we're done.